Hello everyone. Hi Neha ji. Hello. Okay, hello. Hello, this is Monica from Ethnic BFFs Delhi. Good to see you all. Good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon everyone. Our brand name is Ethnic BFFs. I'll just ping both my numbers to you. How are you all? Hello Payal. Okay, so hello everyone. Today we have a lot of ready-made wear collection for you. So basically we go live in many other groups and we get very good response from it. Our motto behind all our live sessions, all our products is you will definitely get good quality products and at very affordable rates. This is the second time we are going live in this particular group. So yeah, so we'll move on with the kurta sets, 2-piece, 3-piece sets, and at last we'll be showing you some sale products. This will also be a stock update for our page members, so stay tuned everyone. Thank you for joining. And basically the process is, whichever design you like, you have to take the screenshot of it and you have to send it us on the given number. Any of the number you can send. So we have two numbers, 8800988288, and the other number is 9999714077. Both numbers are pinned. आप नीचे देखेंगे तो आपको दोनों नंबर्स दिखाई देंगे. आपको स्क्रीनशॉट लेके व्हाट्सएप करना है हमें. एंड अवेलेबिलिटी पूछनी है. साइजेस हम बहुत एक्यूरेटली आपको बताएंगे. जो भी साइजेस हम बता रहे हैं प्लीज सिर्फ उन्हीं की क्वेरीज आप हमें सेंड कीजिएगा. ओके, पेमेंट्स आर ओनली ऑनलाइन पेमेंट्स, नो COD, सो प्लीज डोंट आस्क अस फॉर COD. व्हाट वी अश्योर यू इज हम बहुत अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स देंगे आपको, वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड क्वालिटी एंड वेरी अफोर्डेबल रेट्स, राइट. सो वील मूव ऑन विद द कुर्ता सेट्स. जो अभी ये कुर्ता सेट हम दिखा रहे हैं, दिस इज वन ऑफ आवर बेस्ट सेलर्स. दिस वी हैव रीस्टॉक्ड इट अगेन, सो द वंस हु वांटेड दिस डिजाइन can book it fast. This is a kurta set on pure cotton kurta set. Beautiful work on the yoke. As you can see, this is all sequence work on yoke. These will be the tassels, beautiful tassels. Okay, and this will be a different pattern sleeve. This will be the sleeves. It has this lace, very bright shade, very much in summers. So this is one of our best sellers. I'll just show you the bottom of it. Good afternoon Priya ji. So this will be the bottom. This is again a pure cotton bottom. Please take a look. It has these two laces at the lower end of this bottom. Beautiful matching lace, and if you can see clearly, it has all this thread work in the whole bottom. Hello Swati ji, how are you? So this is all thread work here. I hope the work is clear to you. Very premium cotton fabrics we have. So this is a 2-piece set. You can book the set, take the screenshot and please send it to us on WhatsApp. Numbers are given below. Numbers नीचे दिए हुए हैं, उस नंबर पे आपको स्क्रीनशॉट लेके भेजना है. Sizes available 38 to 44. 1150 will be the price. 1150, 38 to 44 size available. जो साइज बता रहे हैं प्लीज उसकी ही क्वेरी कीजिए. 38 to 44 is available in this. Shipping, yes, shipping अगर आप 1500 से नीचे का कोई भी अमाउंट की शॉपिंग करते हैं हमसे तो शिपिंग 80 रुपीज़ होती है. 1500 से अबव अगर आपका टोटल अमाउंट है तो शिपिंग फ्री देंगे हम. So basically shipping is free above 1500, below 1500 whatever you buy, 1 piece, 2 piece, whatever, the shipping will be 80 rupees all over India. Thank you Swati ji, thank you. Okay, so 80 rupees shipping. 1150 is only the price for this premium cotton 2-piece set. Okay, now we'll move on to the next one. Hello Anupama ji. This is again our new arrival. A new arrival on pure cotton. This is again pure cotton. This has all beautiful gota detailing here and all this thread work and sequence work. Thread work and sequence work on the yoke. So a beautiful yoke here, very subtle shade, very light peach shade. This will be the sleeve. This is the gota detailing and lace on the sleeve. Okay, this will be the whole kurta, and on the sides also you get this particular gota detailing and lace on the sides of the kurta, both the sides. Okay, beautiful shade, beautiful design. Please take a look at the bottom. The bottom has also very beautiful print. This is the bottom of the piece, matching with the yoke. Matching with the yoke is the bottom. Pure cotton piece, beautiful gota detailings, 2-piece set, printed all over, very comfortable in summers. Sizes 38 to 46, 38 to 46 available. 950 is the price. Only 950 will be the price. You can take the screenshots and you can WhatsApp us. Only 950 for this 2-piece set. 38 to 46 available. मैम रिटर्न एक्सचेंज नहीं होता है. साइज इसीलिए हम बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट साइजेस आपको बताते हैं. अगर हम आपको 38 बता रहे हैं दैट मीन्स 38 बस्ट साइज. सो यू ऑलवेज गो फॉर द बस्ट साइज एंड देन ऑर्डर. और अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा थोड़ा सा डाउट है तो आप एक साइज बड़ा ले सकते हैं सो दैट यू कैन गेट इट ऑल्टर्ड. एक स्टिच आप लगाते ही आपको आ जाएगा, बट छोटा मत लीजिएगा और एल्स यू विल हैव अ प्रॉब्लम. साइजेस वी आर क्लियरली मेंशनिंग. इससे पहले जो था दैट इज 38 टू 46, सो मीन्स 38 टू 46 बस्ट साइज. 38, 40, 42, 44 and 46. Now this is again top seller of ours. This has been restocked again, so the ones who wanted this particular design can please order now. Full set is available. This is again a pure cotton kurta on indigo blue. Blue shades are obviously very much in, so indigo blue, beautiful print. This is gota detailing on the side and also on the yoke. Beautiful tassel here. So this will be the tassel, and please take a look at the sleeves. The sleeves also has this touch. Okay, whole kurta will be like this. This gota lining here is still the bottom. बिल्कुल नीचे तक इसकी गोटा लाइनिंग आएगी. All over printed and a very beautiful cotton bottom with it. Very beautiful cotton bottom, and in the bottom also you get this gota work here. So a very thick and premium cotton piece. Only 850 will be the price. 850 is the price. Shipping 80 rupees. 38 to 46 sizes available. Again 38 to 46 size available. You can take the screenshots. Only 850 for this wonderful 2-piece set. Okay. Now we move on to one anarkali piece. Beautiful anarkali piece. Very contemporary shade, mustard. All this is hand block. This is all hand work over the hand block print. Okay, if you can see, this is all thread work here. Beautiful design handwork on the yoke. This will be the sleeve, a contrast sleeve with this katha work. This is all katha work here. A very elegant design, very elegant shade. And the lower part is this crushed cotton, and please check the flare of it. Extremely flary. Full flare, बहुत अच्छा घेरा है इसमें. And this will be the daman of the anarkali. All this gota work on the daman. Okay. Back side also has the same hand block print. Price for this is only 1450. Only 1450. Size will be 38, 40 and 44. 38, 40 and 44. So only these sizes please query for this particular design. Ma'am, we have in bandhej also. We'll just show you. So stay tuned. We have everything for you. We have bandhej, we have 3-piece sets, 2-piece sets, everything. Okay, you can take the screenshot. Now next is this piece on pure muslin. This is also one of our best sellers. Pure muslin design. Please take a look. A very elegant shade. This will be the yoke. Okay, this is all handwork done on the yoke here. Pure muslin piece. This will be the sleeve with gota detailing. This is the sleeve. This is the whole kurta. Tassels here. And on the sides also you get this gota lining on the sides. This is on the yoke. This is all zari work. Okay. This will be the muslin bottom. Muslin is a very soft fabric. So this is muslin bottom. This will be the gota lining here. Very different print of muslin and a beautiful dupatta. Full size dupatta, wine shade, a very bright shade, in fact, wine shade dupatta. So 3-piece set on pure muslin. The ones who wear muslin know what quality it is actually. Very soft and rich. 1695 will be the price. Only 40 size and 44 size available. You can take the screenshot. 1695, free shipping in this because the price is more than 1500. 40 and 44 sizes available. You can also take 2 low range pieces like 800 or 850, and if your total amount is above 1500 you get free shipping. Okay. Now bandhej, the one who was asking for bandhej, Pooja ji. So this is a kurti on bandhej, dark blue shade, very beautiful bandhej print. This is the sleeve, all zari work here, and this is again a zari buta on the sleeve. This is the beautiful yoke here with the same work, beautiful work, and sleeves here. This will be the tassels on the side and the gota lining. The gota lining here and beautiful tassels. A very bright shade of blue, matching mask with it. This will be the mask and this will be the bottom. It has a pant, and on the lower end you get the same matching lace and gota detailing here at the bottom. So 2-piece set with matching mask. Price is only 1250. You can take the screenshot. 1250. Size available S and L. Now S in this particular design is 38 bust size. S is 38 bust size and L means 42. So we have 38 and 42 available in this right now. Okay. Again one anarkali, pure cotton piece, Pure cotton anarkali. Very, very different shade. This is all gold print on the yoke. Lovely tassels here. And bell sleeves. The color is different. The pattern is different. Now it has this gota lining here. Here on the top, on the middle. And please check the daman. The daman has all gold print. And this will be the flare. Very, very flary. Different shade anarkali. Very beautiful bell sleeves. And a matching mask with it. This will be the mask. I hope the print is clear to you. Only $12.50 will be the price for this. 1250 will be the price. Size available L and XXL. L in this is 38 bust size. L is 38 bust size and XXL is 42 bust size. Okay. So these people can apply for this particular piece. Again, a beautiful bright kurta set. Very, very bright shade, evergreen combination of yellow and red. Yellow and red. Please check the kurta first. This kurta, the fabric will be linen cotton. This is all hand block print and also handwork done over it. This is all sequence work done over it to give it a different look. Okay, and this will be the different sleeve. All hand block print. All hand block print. Beautiful shade. Linen cotton kurta set. And this will be the bottom. Red bottom with it. Red bottom. Beautiful combination of red and yellow. Price only 1100. A bright kurta set. 1100 will be the price. M, XL and XXL. 36, 40 and 42. 3 sizes available. The sides will have this piping. Only 3 sizes, 36, 40 and 42, that is M, XL and XXL available. Now this is a very, very rich piece. Very rich shade in anarkali. Please take a look. This will be the neck pattern here with lace and buttons. Beautiful buttons here. Very, very different shade of blue. This will be the sleeve. This is a very, very premium cotton piece. This will be the lace out here. Very premium cotton piece. And again the flare will be full. Please check the daman of it. Beautiful daman with a different kind of lace and gota work. Matching mask with it. The whole kurta has golden touch to it. If you can see, it has all golden touch in the whole kurta. This will be a very different bottom. The fabric is actually cotton, but since it is very, very premium, it feels like muslin. Right? So this will be the stripes on the pant. Same premium cotton fabric. Matching mask. Mask has also the same gold print on it. And hand block. Full size cotton dupatta. Beautiful print on it, gold print, and this lace. Beautiful print on it. It is a full size cotton dupatta. Okay, so 3-piece set, anarkali set. Price for this 1950. 1950. Size available are only XL and XXL. 46 and 48 people can apply for this. XL and XXL, 46 and 48. Now this is again a very, very nice 3-piece set. Extremely affordable. It's a sale product for today. Now these prices and these pieces don't remain for long, so you need to book it quickly. A peach shade 3-piece set. Please check the handwork here. This will be the handwork. This is all thread work on the neck. This is the full size cotton dupatta. This is mal cotton dupatta with hand block print. This is the dupatta. Mal cotton dupatta. Beautiful kurta, 3-piece set. And please check the best part of it, the palazzo, the pant. Actually the pant also has this thread work here. Yes, the back ones also will show, Pooja ma'am. The back one, green one also will just show you. So this is the linen cotton fabric. Hello Romaji. A 3-piece set. 3-piece set with handwork. Beautiful shade. Price only 1050. Only 1050 for this 3-piece set. Full size dupatta, L, XL and XXL. 3 sizes are available. Cotton piece. 1050 only for this 3-piece set. Okay. Now this is again a very bright shade of anarkali. Cotton lurex is the fabric. If you can see this silver linings here, the thread work, it has all handwork. This is all handwork, gota work, and the whole fabric has this silver lining. This is cotton lurex. Okay, beautiful sleeves. Cotton lurex, mask, matching mask. Thank you Pooja ji. And this will be the lower part. The lower part also has this cotton lurex linings. Again full flare anarkali. Full flare anarkali. Matching mask. 1450 will be the price. 1450. You can take the screenshots. M, L and XL. That is 36, 38 and 40. 3 sizes available. 36, 38 and 40. That is M, L and XL in this particular design. Okay. Now again a 3-piece set. Beautiful combination. A very different one. This is a pure cotton 3-piece set. This will be the yoke of it. Okay, this is the yoke of it. All hand block print. Very different sleeves. The sleeves is matching with the bottom and dupatta. This is the beautiful bottom of it. Beautiful print. This is the bottom. The bottom has the same matching grey lace. Okay, so this is the bottom. Full size cotton dupatta. Beautiful combination of grey and white, off white. Full size cotton dupatta. The sides has this gota linings. Okay, a 3-piece set for 1400. Only 1400. Size available 40 and 42. Size available 40 and 42. You can take the screenshots. 2 sizes available in this. Okay, I'll show you the bandhej one first. So this is the piece for Pooja ji because she wanted to see bandhej and this piece. So this is a piece on bandhej. It has 2 shades like light green and dark green. Beautiful zari work on yoke. So a very different yoke here. A very different color and designing. This will be the sleeves. A matching bandhej mask with it. This will be the mask. Okay. Now the whole kurta has this zari bootas. Silver zari bootas on the whole kurta. A very elegant design. Perfect for traditional wear or anywhere. This will be the bottom with this matching bandhej lace and a full size chiffon dupatta. Full size chiffon dupatta. The dupatta has the same gota lining and these tassels. So beautiful dupatta with it. 3-piece set, full size dupatta, chiffon dupatta, matching mask, only 1495. Size S and L. S is 38 bust size in this. 38 and 40 size available. S and L. You can take the screenshots. Now a piece on pure muslin. This is again a pure muslin. Again one of our best sellers. We have sold so many pieces of this. So this is all beautiful floral print with a touch of gold print all over. This will be the sleeves. Pure muslin piece. You can check if you can see the smoothness of the fabric. Beautiful yoke here. Sleeves and the whole kurta with the same digital print and gold print. Extremely soft fabric. The back side also has the same print. This will be the bottom. The bottom will have these linings. The beautiful print it has. Muslin is again the fabric of the bottom, and a matching mask. This will be the mask with the same print. Okay, now the price is 1550 for this. S and XL available. S and XL. S in this is 38. S is 38. So S and double XL are available. 38 to 46 can apply for this. S and XL, sorry, not double XL. XL is available. So S and XL. Now one more very affordable and beautiful design on kurta set. A beautiful design on kurta set. This is all katha work here. Handloom cotton. This is all handloom cotton if you can see the prints. And beautiful bell sleeves. Beautiful bell sleeves here. This is all katha work done. Thank you Rita ji. Thank you so much. So this is the sleeve. Now the daman of the suit also has the same katha work here. A very different designing. Very designer taste. Elegant taste. This is the bottom. The fabric of both the pieces are handloom cotton. The bottom is also handloom cotton. So very different and designer piece. Thank you Latasha ji. Thank you so much. The price is only 1050 for this. 1050. The price was actually 1095, which we corrected. It is actually 1050 for the ones who bought us this particular design. They have bought at 1050 only. 1050 sizes available, M to double XL. 38 to 44 size available. 1050 only. Now this again a beautiful piece, beautiful anarkali on cotton. This is again pure cotton. This will be the print on the neck, on the yoke here. This will be the tassel. This is the print, gold print on sleeves. This is sequins. This is all sequins here. I hope the work is very clear to you. And it is a 2-layered anarkali. It has 2 layers. Okay, this is the first. This is the second. Actually, it is a 1-piece dress, but it has got 2 layers. On the second layer, if you can see, this particular layer has beautiful gold print on it. The lower part of the anarkali has this beautiful gold print on it. Okay, so a very different piece here. Very bright shade, different pattern all together. 1450 will be the price. You will definitely get a matching mask with it. 1450 will be the price. M to double XL size available. 38 to 44. A bright piece, 38 to 44 size available. Now again our showstopper piece is this muslin. This has been restocked. The ones who want it can order now. This is a piece, an anarkali on pure muslin. On pure muslin, this is all bandhej print. This is all bandhej print on pure muslin fabric. This will be the very beautiful yoke. A very, very classy design. You can check the kalis. The kalis has this gota linings. This is the tassel on the front. And a very, very beautiful daman. This is the daman. And matching sleeves. Beautiful piece. It has a kota stole dupatta. This is a kota stole dupatta with it. The back side also has the same kalis and gold print. This is bandhej ke upar. It is a touch of gold print. Okay. So I hope the piece is very, very clear to you. It is one of our best sellers. You can take the screenshot. Pure muslin piece. Very, very rich shade. 2300 only. Only 2300. Price is 38 to 44. Sizes available 38 to 44. 2300. Very rich piece. Okay. Guys, stay tuned for our sale products also. We'll be showing you some sale products at very, very affordable rates. Now this is the anarkali which I am wearing. Again a very, very flary one. This is the print on pure cotton. This is the sleeves. All gota work on the sleeves. Beautiful neck design. This is all neck design, thread work and gota work here. Beautiful neck design. Sleeves. All over it is printed. At the bottom also it has the same print. Again very, very flary and comfortable. Bright shade. Only 1400 for this. 38 to 44 size available. 38 to 44. 1400 will be the price. Now we are coming on to our sale products, in which we will be having only 1 or 2 pieces left. So if you want to book, you have to book it fast so that we don't get sold out. This is a 3-piece anarkali set. 3-piece anarkali set on wine shade. Beautiful mirror work and gota work here. This is all gold print. Beautiful sleeves. Very beautiful yoke. Please check the daman. The daman has a very wide lace and gota detailing. This will be the bottom. The bottom is also printed. This is the bottom. Okay, rayon cotton is the fabric. Mal cotton dupatta. Mal cotton full size dupatta. The dupatta has gold print all over it. 3-piece anarkali set. 3-piece anarkali set. You can take the screenshots. Only 1300 is the price. It is on sale. 1350, sorry. 1350 is the price. XL and XXL people can apply. XL and XXL 3-piece anarkali set. XL and XXL. Only 2 sizes are available. Now what we'll be showing you is we have just single pieces left. They are on sale. So you can quickly book it. This we have in size 42. This is again a 3-piece anarkali set. Only single size 42 is left. This is the lace and gota. Beautiful print. A different yoke here. Beautiful cotton full size dupatta. This is the beautiful dupatta. This is the daman of the suit. A very heavy cotton piece, premium one. Matching hand block bottom. This is the bottom of it. Matching with the dupatta and obviously a matching mask. Right, so it's a 3-piece set with matching mask. Price for this is 1600. Only 1600. Previously the prices were 1795 for this particular piece, but since we are left with only the last piece, so the price on sale is 1600. Size available only 42. Only 42 people, please apply for this. Now this one again, a 3-piece anarkali set. This is also a sale product. This is all gota work here. Beautiful print. This is the yoke, all gota detailing and buttons. This is the sleeve, a very heavy piece. Please check the dupatta. The dupatta also has gota linings all over. This is all gota lining, and a beautiful cotton bottom with the same gota work. This is the bottom. Okay, it has all these linings. So a beautiful 3-piece set, anarkali set, only 1300 on sale. Size available only XL. Only XL size available in this 3-piece anarkali set on sale. XL is generally 42. Now again, this piece is on sale. It is basically, the fabric is silk. The fabric is silk. Beautiful handwork here. And please check the handwork done all over in the kurta. The whole kurta, the neck work, it has all handwork in it. Very, very premium silk fabric. Very premium. If you can check the work also. A very premium silk fabric and beautiful Banarsi dupatta. Beautiful Banarsi dupatta. Okay. This will be the dupatta of the piece. It is a kurti and dupatta set. Size available only 46. 1550 was the price earlier. For today, 1350 on sale. 1350, only 46 size available. Very, very rich piece. 1350 is the price on sale. Now this is again on pure muslin. Pure muslin. This is all handwork here. This is all mirror work. Beautiful mirror work. Very, very bright shade. Very bright shade, pure muslin piece. This is one of our new arrivals. We are just giving you a stock update that we have. 38 sizes available in this. Pure muslin pant. This is the bottom. So it is on pure muslin. Very, very bright shade. Very beautiful intricate work here. 2-piece set. 1350 is the price. Sorry. Yeah, 1350 will be the price, and size available only 38. Only 38 size available. Once again, our best sellers. We are giving you a stock update of this. 46 sizes available in this 3-piece anarkali set. This is the daman. Okay. This is the matching mask with it. This is the neck work, the zari work on the neck and the yoke. The yoke has gota and zari work. This is the bottom. And a beautiful pure chiffon shibori dupatta. Pure chiffon. Okay. Beautiful shade. 3-piece set with matching mask. 1600 is the price for this. Size only 46. Only 46 people can apply for this. And one more shade we have in this is this sky blue. So we have blue shade in size 44. Blue we have in 44. And pink shade we have in 46. Okay. Same pieces, only colors are different. This is also one last piece with us. A very premium cotton fabric on ajrak print. This is ajrak print kurta set. Okay. Beautiful cotton kurta set. This is the button style here, and a beautiful bottom. This is all premium cotton pieces. This is all weaving here, the print on the bottom. This is only for 1050. Beautiful shade in blue. 1050 is the price for this. Size available only 42. So the people who are asking for these sizes, if we couldn't reply to you because of so many messages, can now apply 42 size in this. Only 42. Now this is a 3-piece set again. A 3-piece set, a beautiful combination. This is the yoke, the handwork. Okay. This will be the sleeves. Pure cotton piece. It has all tassels here on the sides. Hand block print. This will be the pure cotton pant with these stripes. This will be the pant, and a full size dupatta. Full size cotton dupatta with the same lining here. This will be the dupatta. A very contemporary design, very different shade. Price for this is 1400. Only size left is 40. Only 40 size left in this. So the ones who wanted can apply for this. Only 40 size. Now very different designing on this anarkali set. It's a 2-piece set. This is an anarkali piece and it has a separate jacket with it. You can wear just the red anarkali or you can also take the jacket with it. So that's completely your choice. A beautiful kalamkari design on it. Beautiful print. This will be the neck, the band collar on the anarkali here. On the anarkali, this will be the beautiful print and a wonderful jacket. A very different shade jacket. This is the print. A very different designing. Crushed cotton at the bottom. Pure cotton piece. 1595 for this 2-piece set. 38, 40 and 42. 3 sizes available. 38, 40 and 42. Full flare anarkali 2-piece set with jacket. 1595, 38, 40 and 42. So we'll be showing you just one more piece, giving you a stock updates. This is again a beautiful shade. This has been restocked. For the ones who are asking for it can now apply for it. Beautiful shade, peacock blue. Please check the flare of it. Very flary. This is the daman. The daman has beautiful gold print on it. Beautiful gold print. This is all print. The linings here are all prints. So this is all print, crushed cotton piece. This will be the beautiful sleeve with gold print. This is all gold print here, and here it is all pearl and thread work. This is thread work. This is not print. This is all thread work here. So on the yoke it is thread work and at the bottom it is all print. The back side also has the same print. Beautiful shade. 1400 is the price. M to XXL. 38 to 44 size available. 38 to 44. It has been restocked. For the ones who wanted to order can now apply for this. M to XXL. 1400 is the price. Okay. So these were the latest collection of ours and a quick stock update. For the ones whom we couldn't reply, or for these group members, it was lovely meeting you all. Till then, please take care of your family, friends, of yourself. We'll see you soon again, guys. Take care. Bye bye.